This hand was never born. It was built, piece by piece, in here. It moves like you, thinks faster than you, and it never stops. 28 million parts. One body. Inside this building, Tesla is making history, and they're making it fast. It sees, it learns, it remembers. Robots, building robots. This is what the future looks like. Every wire has a purpose. Every signal has a destination. The first step took billions of dollars. The next million steps cost almost nothing. This is how Tesla Optimus is made. This facility spans over 1 million square feet, every inch of it dedicated to building one thing. Every component is designed by Tesla's own engineers. Nothing is bought off the shelf. The materials come from 6 continents: rare earth magnets from China, aluminium from Canada, silicon from Japan. Before Optimus can walk, these raw materials must be transformed completely. Before a single robot of human movement data, this is Dojo, Tesla's supercomputer. Optimus learns to walk the same way you did, by watching, over and over and over again.
The electronic zones are cleaner than a hospital operating room. One dust particle can kill a microchip.
Optimus has 28 structural degrees of freedom. The human body has over 200. The gap is closing. Tolerances here are measured in microns, that is 1/1000th of a millimeter, thinner than a human hair. 12 assembly lines, running simultaneously, every hour of every day. Every component is tested to 10 times the load it will ever face in real life. Failure is not an option. Every Optimus has a digital twin, a perfect virtual copy that monitors the real one continuously. The heart of Optimus is a 2.3 Tesla artifact. The same cells powering Model Y. Every station, every robot, every engineer, one shared mission. It starts here, aerospace-grade aluminium, the same material used in aircraft fuselages, light, strong, and precise. A computer-controlled mill removes material, cutting away everything that is not Optimus. The joints that carry the most load are made from grade 5 titanium. It is stronger than steel but 45% lighter. The outer shell panels are carbon fiber composite, 10 times stronger than steel, 1/5 of the weight. The autoclave bakes the carbon fiber at 180 degrees Celsius under strict pressure. This fuses the layers into one unbreakable structure. When the machining is done, 47 structural components come together to form the skeleton of one Optimus unit. Muscles in a human body are made of fibers that contract. Motors that wish by linear electric actuators. Neodymium magnets. Each one can lift 1,000 times its own weight, and Optimus uses hundreds of them. Each actuator is tested to deliver up to 300 Newton meters of torque. That is enough force to lift a full-grown adult with one arm. Inside every actuator, there are signal wires thinner than a human hair. They carry the electrical commands that tell the muscle when to move and how hard. 28 actuators, each one precisely engineered for the specific load and range of motion of its joint. No two are identical. These are the circuit boards that form Optimus's nervous system, each one etched with pathways that carry signals at the speed of light. This machine places 50,000 components per hour, each one positioned to an accuracy of perfectly every time. The reflow oven melts the solder at exactly 260 degrees Celsius. After soldering, a camera system inspects every joint on every board. Over 10,000 inspection points per circuit board, in under 4 seconds. The wire harness is Optimus's nervous system. Over 200 individual cables, every one color-coded, every one exactly the right length. Before it goes inside Optimus, every signal path is tested. One broken wire and the robot cannot move. The brain of Optimus is built on Tesla's own AI chip, the same silicon that drives autonomous vehicles. Now it drives an autonomous body. Each etched onto silicon at 7 nanometers, smaller than a virus. Processing that much data generates heat. The thermal system moves that heat away from the chip in milliseconds. Without it, the brain would cook itself. The completed compute module is sealed, shielded from electromagnetic interference, and rated to survive 10,000 hours of continuous operation. Optimus sees through 5 cameras, 2 for close-up work, 2 for distance, 1 wide-angle for full spatial awareness. After assembly, every camera is calibrated to within a fraction of a degree, because if the eyes are wrong, every decision the brain makes is wrong. These sensors measure touch. They tell Optimus how hard it is gripping something with a sensitivity of just 0.1 newtons. That is lighter than a feather. Deep inside the pelvis sits the IMU, a gyroscope and accelerator with times per second. When all the senses are connected and active, the system processes over 1 trillion operations per second, just to know where it is in space. Each finger has 2 degrees of freedom, controlled by a tendon system, like your own fingers, except these tendons are made of braided steel cable. The completed hand has 11 degrees of freedom. It can grip a power drill or pick up a raw egg without breaking it. Grip force is controlled to within 1 Newton. That is the difference between holding a glass firmly and shattering it. It deforms when it touches a signal. It is not quite touch, but it is close. The 4680 battery cell, designed by Tesla, each stores enough energy to power a laptop for 8 hours. The cells are connected by nickel bus bars, laser welded in Microchips the battery module. The battery management system monitors every single cell. Voltage, cell overheats. From the battery, power flows to 28 actuators, 5 cameras, the AI compute unit. The completed battery pack weighs 8.2 kilograms and stores 2.3 kilowatt hours of energy. The structural skeleton comes together in a single assembly station. 47 components. Each actuator is pressed into position and locked, the muscles of Optimus installed one by one. The wire harness is routed through the spine, just like your spinal cord carries signals from your brain to your body. When it locks into place, Optimus can finally see. The outer panels are not just cosmetic. They protect the internal components from impact, dust, and electrical interference. Assembly complete, every component installed, every connection made. Now comes the moment that separates a machine from something more. First power on. The AI boots in 12 seconds. Every system runs a self-diagnostic. 4,000 data points checked before the first movement. The AI runs a full joint sweep, checking that every actuator reaches its target position within 0.5 degrees of specification. The walking test. Optimus must maintain balance on flat ground, uneven surfaces, and inclines before it leaves this room. Every line, every robot, every engineer, building the same future at the same time. Thousands of steps, one outcome. The factory runs day and night. The machines do not need rest. The mission does not allow it. In the time you have watched this video, this factory has completed 14 Optimus units, each one ready to work.
It does not need to be told twice. It does not complain. It does not make mistakes twice.
From this factory, Optimus ships to Tesla's own production facilities worldwide to do the work humans cannot. This is not science fiction anymore. This is a machine that thinks, moves, and learns, built by human hands, to work beside them. Inside, the lines keep running, because the world has a lot of work that needs doing. Height, 20 kilograms. And it is only getting started. This is the beginning, not the destination. Every version of Optimus that walks out of this factory is smarter than the last. If this changed how you see the future, you know what to do. Follow and subscribe. Every week, we go inside the facilities building the world of tomorrow.